changing crankshaft sensor. So it's located here. Got two 10mm bolts. So we just undo that a minute. So the old one's out now. Took about 3 minutes. There's the new one. That's the old one. Plug it all back into that. There we go, new one in. Took all of 5 minutes to do.